Take a deep breath in. Somebody else might be saying, but if you run out of breath, you stop, you take a deep breath, and then you start again. No, there's going to be the sound in the room because people have different lengths of breath. You stop and breathe when you